You can get new review gadget videos in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget. Necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel. A description link is provided. Please like, comments and share. Number 1. Retyred system. Retyred is the world's first modular tire system, marking your round braking is with tire change is less than 60 seconds. Our base tire, Retyre, on has entered zippers, which is a perfect match to all retired skins. Choose between trial, off-road or winter skins. Zip on the best tire and ride with optimal zips for your change your tire in second for a battery biking expert. Retyred let you install shift out your tire treads to match your tried winter condition. Install the fast rolling base tire and zips on the skin of your shoes is less than 60 seconds. Whenever the condition changes, Retyred is the world first zip on tire system. Skin with different tire let you quickly upgrade. Number 2. Duro. Built for adventure, the Duro is an electronic bike that is beautiful, your capability, fast, strong and packed with future. The Duro race will forever change the way you advance. Duro to shift accept the ordinary and an e-bike that will forever change the way you advance. The Duro Rise is an electronic bike built for adventure. It is powerful capability and thoughtful, designed to be beautiful and fun. An e-bike you can ride anywhere you ride to traditional bike, but ability you to advance future than ever before. You design the Duro Rise because traditional bike and motorcycle have limited than wire holding use back. Bike are limited by physical capability and motorcycle, while they may factory adventure, are not always level on the trail we want to explore. Motorcycle also require a space and yearly register. As we begin explore the world of e-bike,